Love 'em or hate 'em, when it comes to home improvement projects, many people who are part of a homeowners association, or HOA, find themselves at odds with their neighborhood governing body. HOAs are responsible for establishing neighborhood cc&rs, covenants, conditions, and restrictions. The rules of the neighborhood, in other words. When it comes to home improvement projects, some homeowners find that their HOA can be restrictive or prohibitive. This can sometimes include artificial grass installation. If you live in California, you're in the clear. In 2015, then-Governor Brown signed Assembly Bill 349 and Assembly Bill 1164. These bills bar HOAs, cities, and counties from forbidding synthetic grass or turf. The governing bodies could still make landscaping rules, just not in a way that would ban artificial lawns. Elsewhere, however, you may find that your HOA still forbids artificial grass. In many cases, these rules stem from 70s and 80s era artificial grasses that didn't look very good. And chances are, no one has bothered to update the local rules. So if you're in an HOA, be sure to check before you install. If you have any questions, call, click, or visit. At Purchase Green, we're always happy, helpful, and happy to help.